Hello everyone, my name is Harish Solanki and I am here to represent association rule mining within Python. In today's data-driven world, association rule mining has become a powerful tool application for associating rule mining. There are four types: market-based analysis, web using mining, web bioinformation, and fraud detection. First one, market based analysis, identifying product frequently bought together to optimize product placement and promotions. Web use mining, analyzing website log to understand user behavior and preferences. Biometrics, discovering pattern in biological data such as gene expression and pattern. Fraud detection, identifying unusual pattern in financial transactions. Basis of association rule mining. What are the association rule? Association rule are statements that describe relationship between item in dataset. They typically follow the format if A and B, where A and B are set of items. For instance, a rule might state if a customer buys bread, then they are likely to also buy milk. We are moving toward superior algorithm for rule generation. First one, candidate generation. Second, count. Third one, rule generation. In first step, candidate generation, the algorithm starts by creating frequent item set of item occurring together at least a minimum support threshold. The algorithm calculates the support of each candidate item set, check how often they appear in the data set. Key points: association rule mining is a data mining technique used to discover interesting relationships and frequent pattern association or correlation between variables in large dataset. Key concept: item set, support, confidence, lift, convictions. Item set, a collection of items. Support, the frequently or occurrence of an item in dataset. Confidence, the probability that item Y will occur given that item X has occurred. Lift, the ratio of confidence of the rule to accepted confidence. It measure how more likely item Y is to occur when the item X is present compared to the normal occurrence. Application of association rule mining: market basket analysis, web usage mining, bioinformatic fraud detection, and challenges and consideration: scalability, noise and outer lineage, interpreting, contextual relevance. Scalability, handle large dataset efficiently, noise and outlines. Forward, implementing confidence difference in Python. Confidence difference is statically the measure that qualifies the degree of difference between two confidence intervals. Implementation: to implement confidence difference between you first need to calculate the confidence of both the rule and its converse. Another topic: confidence quotient certain. A confidence interval is a range of value that is likely to contain truly population parameters with a certain degree of confidence. It is calculated based on a simple statistics standard error and chosen. Applying confidence quotient in Python. First, data loading, rule generation, quotient calculation. Data loading, start by loading your data. For example, you can use Panda data frame to store the transaction data. Rule generation, use or libraries to generate escalation rule from your data. Support and confidence threshold. The key takeaway and next steps. Association rule mining is a valuable data mining technique that helps uncover hidden pattern relationships and correlation within large data set by identifying frequent item set and generation. Strong association rule take is way unveiling hidden patterns, informed discussion making,